We are here in Nantucket today at this small whaling cottage that has been restored, is in the process of being restored. We have been here for several hours going through the space and figuring out our layouts and our furniture options and just looking at all the wonderful restoration that's been done. We were just remarking that it's starting to feel ironically like a mansion to us because of the amazing layout and the rooms, the way that there are so many different spaces with so many different functions, and it's been really fun to walk through and see.
Yeah, and there's so many really cool details. Like we're in this room, and you all know how I love a tavern. And this is going to turn into kind of a tavern look, but look at that, this wide planked wood. I mean, you don't find that anywhere. This is old and really original. It's just beautiful. There are 2 fireplaces in this beautiful home. Really 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a dining room, a living room, a kitchen, a laundry room, everything that you need. This is crazy.
All right, this is the front of the cottage. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. This is the pathway to the beach, which of course is the most important part of being on an island like Nantucket.
And I think this is going to be beautiful when it's done.
And we can't wait to tell you the story of this house.
Yay!
You're gonna wait.